So today we are going to be creating a new product in our WordPress WooCommerce. So we go here to products, add new. You can also just go to add new there. Here we come up with a product name. This is because I've got kind of a Dungeons and Dragons, yes I'm a nerd, theme going on in this store right now just for testing. We're going to say that this is a longsword of truth, because we're just going to do that. Come down here. It's a simple product. It is not any of those. It's not a virtual product. I guess technically it is because it doesn't exist, but we're not selling it as a virtual product, and it's not downloadable. We're going to pretend that it's a go away. We're going to pretend that it's a real product. It's probably going to be expensive because not only is it a sword, but it has magical properties. So let's say it's going to be $700. But if you know the guy, maybe he'll give it to you for $5.99. I'm going to come over here. We have product categories. Look, I've already got a weapon saying product tag, sword, magic sword, sword of truth, nerd. Product images. I don't have one, but you could go in, and if you had a product, image of the product, you can put it there. Since this is a fantasy item, I don't have that. Description down here, you can come and say, this is a magical, if I can spell, magical, long sword that causes anyone who takes damage from it to speak nothing but the truth for the next 5 minutes, because we just made this up. Wonder Woman, WMANs. That's not one word, that is 2 words. Whip ain't got nothing on us. Bada bing. There you go. Save the draft if you weren't ready to publish it right away, but we're going to publish it. So I'm going to hit publish. Now if we go to all products, we have the battle axe I made yesterday, the deck of many things, a bag of holding, and a longsword of truth on sale for $5.99. Bada bing, bada boom.